stressed at work, I need a cigarette. The kids are giving me grief, I need a cigarette. And even though I had held the hands of people close to me dying because of smoking, I still continued to smoke. And that was, you would have thought that would have empowered me enough to stop. And I tried everything. Nicotine patches, chewing gum, tablets, you name it. I still would revert back. But this time and this programme has totally changed that. And I haven't had that desperate craving. The first few days I found that I kind of withdrew into myself. I didn't tell anyone. And then I found that it was going to be difficult. Was I going to be tempted when I socialised and went out, and that glass of wine and that extra glass of wine? And I have to say that whilst I've been in them situations, it hasn't happened. And so for this, what I will say is, believe in it, it will work.
Yeah, brilliant.